Yeah, today's youth face various kinds of problems, both in the rural part of India as well as in urban India. And these problems, because of the stress of day-to-day living, causes enormous amounts of pressure on them, both physically and mentally. The kinds of problems that the urban Indian faces are very different from rural India. In urban India, I think the rapid urbanization and migration of people from rural to urban has created tremendous amounts of stress. Being able to handle this stress, being able to come to terms with the changing environment, our social values and culture is indeed an important and difficult task. Rural India continues to remain in a culturally different situation. Old and unfortunately different values and cultures continue to stress the women folk, and traditional forms of treatment that they are subjected to, including marital and other problems, has caused them severe stress. It is important that in today's world we understand and accept that this stress needs to be controlled, and that we need to take measures which would enable us to not only handle the stress but also cope with stresses that would become even more difficult. Most importantly, mental health is not something to be shied about. Mental health is something that needs to be understood. A disease associated with the mind is as important as a disease associated with the body. Prevent this, treat this well for a better future.